Hey everyone, welcome to a really short edition of Angry TV. Now, you may or may not have seen my recent video where I told you 5 reasons why I was going to stay with Apple over Android. And I also said in that video that I wasn't going to do an unboxing. But I thought about it and I thought, well, perhaps some of you haven't seen one of these before. So I'm going to do a really quick unboxing just so you can see what it looks like. We'll take it out of the packet and see where we go. So this is a good thing about Apple. They love a bit of cellophane. Unwrap all of that. Pulling it out like that. Get rid of that bit over there. Okay, box is obviously standard Apple. This is the bit we like. There you go. Top of the box over there. Designed by Apple in California. Ooh. Okay, what we've got in here is normally a quick start guide. You get your SIM tray key in there, and you even get the good old Apple sticker, which we've got a few of those lying around. Okay, so that's that. Put it over there. The phone itself. Pull that out. So this is the XS Max 64. All my stuff's in the cloud, so we don't need it, but it's the gold colour, which is really rather nice. You can see me. Hello. That's how shiny it is. And ironically being filmed on an iPhone 10. So hello. Right, that's the phone. Pretty nice. Yeah. You see what I mean? It just looks like the money it cost, and I don't think you can say that about the S10. Right, phone over there, out of the way. In the box, you don't get a fast charger, do you, Apple? Even for all that money, just get one of these stupid things. Fortunately, I'll probably charge one up with my iPad charger, which is much more hefty than that one. Do it quickly. And again, even for that amount of money, you still get wired earpods. That's pretty rubbish, isn't it? You'd think they give you some sort of AirPod wireless for free, but there you go. Welcome to the world of Apple. And obviously cable. Other than that, not a lot in the box. That there. Charger. And my next job for the rest of today is getting that set up. You'll note no screen protector, so it's probably not going to get a lot of use until that arrives. That's one of the things that Samsung does do, is give you a screen protector on the S10 out of the box. Apple, why can't you do the same thing? There you go, back in there. There you go, promise, short and sweet iPhone unboxing, and watch out for a video in about a week where we'll see how I'm getting on with it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe.